Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use CyberGhost VPN for free. Yes, CyberGhost is a paid VPN, but it's possible to use it for free for 45 days. I'll explain how to do it, and don't worry, it's 100% legal. So, my method for getting CyberGhost for free is very simple. It consists of using the 45-day money-back guarantee. This means you can sign up, use CyberGhost for several weeks, on up to 7 devices simultaneously, and then request a refund. In the end, you won't have paid anything. To do this, you will need a payment method, but don't worry, you will be fully refunded if you request it within 45 days of signing up. All you need to do is sign up for CyberGhost, download the software and install it. You will be charged, but if you request a refund before the 45 days are up, you'll get all your money back. If you decide not to keep your subscription, you simply need to contact CyberGhost customer support to request a refund. It's as simple as that. If you're satisfied with the service, you can of course decide to keep your subscription and continue using CyberGhost. The principle is simple. CyberGhost lets you try the service risk-free, so you can see its quality and performance for yourself. In any case, I invite you to use this link, vpnfolio.com/cg, to get the best current offer on CyberGhost, which currently includes 4 additional free months. Let me quickly show you how it works. Here is the interface. You can activate the VPN by pressing this button, or you can choose a specific country from this list. Let's try it. As you can see here, my IP address ends with 0. It locates me in France. I choose a location, the UK for example. I click here, then here. And there you go. I'm now connected as if I were in the UK. I refresh the page. And done. I now have a new IP address that places me in the UK. CyberGhost has hidden my real IP address. My new IP address indicates that I'm in the UK even though I'm still in France. I showed you how to connect using the Windows application, but it works exactly the same way on macOS, Android and iOS. CyberGhost also works on smart TVs. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. You now know how to get CyberGhost for free. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments and I will reply as soon as possible. If you liked this video and found it useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks and see you next time.